Hello children, welcome back to today's lesson. Our subject is English Studies and our topic is intonation pattern. Intonation pattern. In the past, we've learned about intonation and the types of intonation. Intonation, as we know, is the melody of speech. It adds spice to the way we speak. It is the rise and fall of the voice in speaking. Rise and fall of the voice in speaking. So today basically we'll be treating the intonation pattern in different questions. Intonation pattern in different types of question. We have three types of questions. The first one is what we call yes or no question. The second one, information questions, and the third one, choice questions. Let's go back to the first one, yes or no questions. What do I mean by yes or no questions? There are those questions that require just yes or no as an answer. For example, can you dance? Have you eaten? You can see that these two questions is either you answer yes or no. The words in brackets show that they begin with is, are, have, can. That's yes or no questions. Can you sing? So in this yes or no question, we'll be treating the intonation pattern. It has a rising intonation. It ends with a rising intonation. Can you sing? Have you done your homework? Have you eaten? You can see that the pitch of my voice rises at the end of each question. So in yes or no questions, the intonation pattern has a rising tone. Okay, let's go to the second one, information questions. This type of question is not like the yes or no question, because here it requires you to say something more. You don't just give a yes or no as an answer. More information is required. It begins with what, where, why. And this type of question ends with a falling intonation. This arrow is there for direction. Where have you been? You know the other one, can you sing? This one, where have you been? What's your name? How old are you? This type of question requires more information, unlike the yes or no questions where you give just a yes or no as an answer. Then, the last type of question is choice questions. Here, you are allowed to choose between something and another thing. That is why I gave you all. We have all in the choice questions. For example, do you prefer reading or watching TV? Do you prefer reading or watching TV? This arrow here shows that in this type of question, we have both the rising intonation and the falling intonation. Do you prefer reading or watching TV? Do you prefer summer or winter? You can see that the pitch of my voice rises and falls. It rises in the first one and falls in the second one. So basically, these are the three types of question, and how the intonation pattern is for this type of question. That means henceforth, you don't just ask question anyhow. You don't just say, can you sing? Have you eaten? Can you do this? Can you sing? Have you eaten? Have you taken your bath? And so on and so forth. Then in information questions, I believe you've learned that it comes with a rising intonation. Where have you been? How old are you? What's the name of your school? You can see it ends with a falling intonation. And the last one comprises both falling and rising. Do you prefer reading or watching TV? So I hope you've learned something, especially the three types of question and the intonation pattern in different types of question. Please visit your class dojo for your assignment. Hope you learned something. Have a nice day.